Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here. This is just a quick video on the 2021 plate Audi A3. I think it's the same on the A4. Just to show you quickly, as I got the bumper off, I thought I might do quick videos to show you where the stuff is located, how to take it off. So if you're looking to replace the screen washer bottle, you don't actually need to take the bumper off, but it's easier to show you what you need to get to. So there's 10mm nut there. There's another 10mm nut to the right, which is located there. You can just see it there. You can get it just by obviously moving the cover off. And there's another one just under there. You can see that covered in dirt. That's another 10mm, and that's the top one. And the screen washer bottle will come out. So you can see the plug there. And you can see the pump here at the bottom as well. It's nice and easy to get to. I thought you might appreciate the video just to let you know obviously how it is. Because I know some people comment you don't even remove it, but this is literally just to show you where they are, so you know how to do it. If you remove just the cover, and that way you'll be able to do it. So thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day. Bye.